Editing the WooCommerce shop page with Elementor provides a visually appealing and customizable design. Here's a guide. Install Elementor. Ensure Elementor is installed and activated on your WordPress site. You can find it in the plugins section. Access Elementor Editor. Navigate to the WooCommerce shop page and click the Edit with Elementor button. This opens the Elementor Editor. Edit shop page layout. In Elementor, you can edit the layout of your shop page by dragging and dropping elements. Add sections, columns, and widgets to structure the content as you desire. Customize product grid. Use Elementor to customize the appearance of the product grid. Adjust column settings, spacing, and styling to create a visually appealing product showcase. Add widgets and elements. Enhance your shop page with Elementor widgets. You can add product categories, featured products, or any other desired elements to promote specific products. Style and design. Customize the design of your shop page using Elementor styling options. Modify fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand identity. Create call to action. Encourage user engagement by adding a call to action section or button using Elementor. This can include special offers, discounts, or featured products. Save changes. Once satisfied with your edits, click Update to save the changes and apply the new design to your WooCommerce shop page.